All right. Ah, we're gonna do some Android development here, folks. And let's see here. Congratulations to Coco Type getting first and aggravating a project manager. I mean, I don't know if life gets better than that. All right, let me plug in my Android tablet because that'll be a thing. And apparently my Stream Deck doesn't want to work today, so we are not going to need it. This is where we find out that the Android tablet went flat because Android. No, 55%. Damn. All right. Hello, Manu. Look, an Android developer in the chat room who doesn't actually do anything because we don't believe him because he doesn't stream. He does. I've seen him do it. All right. Hang on. Let me get things set up here. Let's bring up the tablet. Okay, and let's bring in a terminal. Let's click a few things. All right, there we go. And let's bring up, I think it's that, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes, you are. You are streaming for the select special people. Okay, so we're going to carry on where we left off, mostly with this. The you will see, maybe. Yeah. Okay, hang on. Let me get rid of all of these things. Hold on. Go away. Okay, look. You will see that the notifications are working right there. Right, I've got one set for every 1 day, one set for every 2 days, and I haven't touched it in forever. However, when I tap on one, it should go to the app and open it up. Beautiful. It just works. Ship the damn thing, right? So what we have left here to do is many things. Oh, that's interesting. So when you go back to the app, so when it pulls it up in a notification, hang on, let's try this. Okay, and edit and all that jazz, whatever. We save it. Let's go back. Look at that. So we can't navigate backwards when we come back from a notification. Does that seem right? Let's find out. Let's try it the other way. Bright light. Yes, indeedy. Okay, there you go. So there's a bug. Kind of a bit of a thing, isn't it? All right, so that's number one. We got to look at that. The other thing we got to do is the PDF import stuff, and we also still don't have the icon. So how the hell we do this? All right, is there an import? Open in? No. Do I just drag it over? Okay, let's do that. Let's go get our icon here from the iOS version. We need something. Okay, can I just, what do I do? Just drag that onto there? Maybe. I suspect I don't because it says generated. So my guess is something. What about... Ah, there we go. Okay. Move it? No, I don't want to move it. Why would I want to move it? That doesn't make any sense. Okay. What? Yeah. Actually, probably do need a new one. It's nuts. There's got to be a... I mean... Okay. Let's do it this way. If I just make a new... I'm trying to be like Android friendly for once in my life. But none of this helps. New directory, right? Oh, image asset. No, it's not going to be that, is it? Don't be friendly to Androids. Let's just make assets then. You're calling me an asset? There it is. Okay. Well, actually, that was... Yeah, it's still there. Okay, assets. God, I hate this. I hate you, Tahoe. Okay. Will that just be recognized there? I mean, will it just see it? You'd think like some Android developer would tell me, right? But no. They talk a great talk. That's the project. Is this the problem? Should it be project files I should be looking at? Maybe. We don't know. Surely it should be, what was it, a WMF, right? Mono, I'm trying to put a freaking file in this thing. Trying to add the icon file. Look, hang on. Which you wouldn't think would be that hard, but apparently. Okay, should it go in there? Maybe? I don't know. We put it somewhere a minute ago, didn't we? Shit, I don't know where that file's gone. This is worse than Xcode. There it is, right? Compose app, build, generated assets, app icon. That is not the place for it, I guess. Okay, hang on. Now where's the bloody file gone? You know when you do like an impromptu stream and you regret it? All right, Mono, how do I get this into this project? The app icon. The launcher icon. Oh, man. See, they talk a great talk, and then when it comes down to, like, you know, show us your stuff, they're just as bad. It is an image asset? Okay. All right. Does it matter? I guess it doesn't matter if I'm looking at... Let's go back to the project. Hold on. I was there a minute ago, right? I'm pretty damn certain I just saw it. Really sure I saw it. New. See, already with the bullshit. It's already more annoying than Xcode, and you just wouldn't think that could be a thing. Oh, actually, Cocoa Type, I am tempted to try it, because let's face it, we're going to get a straight answer out of Claude compared to Mono, right? Okay, compose app. Here, look, is there any reason I can't put it in there? Look, right? New image asset. Oh, man. Okay, let's work through this. All right. Launcher icons, adaptive and legacy. Yeah, that sounds right. Name. Leave it at that. Layer name, whatever. Path. Okay, look. Source asset, image, path. Why is it looking for an XML file? And I want to put the bloody file in the project first. Okay, you know what? I'm actually gonna do it this way. Screw it. Hang on. Let's see if it'll do it, right? Whoops. Yeah, add this image file to the project and set it as the app icon in all the appropriate places and settings. All right, screw it. We'll ask Claude developer. Undulating. Place your bets, folks. Do you think it's going to work? Too late, Mono. We've gone to the AI. You had your chance. Don't care. Should we see if I can get, like, really annoy him more than usual? Yeah, proceed. I bet he's screaming at the screen right now, right? Yeah, keep going. Whatever. You got this, Claude. They think they're all that, don't they? Yeah, just keep doing it. Keep rocking and rolling. We have way more layers than that now. It's fiddle faddling. Can't argue with that. Fiddle faddling is a thing. By the way, I'm gonna stream until 10:30. When I'll hang up, but I'll be back. All right. I gotta go do something for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be back after that. Just so you all know. Your new icon will now appear as the app launcher icon on all Android devices. On Android 8 Plus, it will use the adaptive icon system, which allows different launcher shapes: circle, square, squircle, triangle, tricle. Okay, well, I think the internet can handle both of us. If you want to be a good Android citizen, I think that ship sailed as soon as I started, didn't it? We need a monochrome icon. Well, this is, wait a minute. You helped me with this. You are as responsible as I am. Okay, let's redo this. Scrookopy. I'm gonna call it Scrookopy. All right, no app icon there. Oh wait, I think it's still figuring it out. Yeah, Scrookopy. Of course, Mono wants the monochrome icon. Yeah. That's gonna stick in my head. I can't not say Scrookopy now. Yeah. Look at that. God, it's ugly, right? Okay, we have an icon. It is the right icon, but it's basically made it butt ugly because of the shape. But it did do it, right? Yeah, as the Terminator. I mean, I totally think he's the Terminator. If you're supporting only Android 26 and up, Claude just gave you garbage. I'd expect an Android developer to say we had, folks, Mono and Nutter and I had a great conversation last night about AI, and so I knew going in today that bar humbug from Mono to anything AI related, right? Yeah, I mean, it's garbage that worked, which is better than what Mono was giving you. No, it did work, but it is ugly, right? Which I don't think is a surprise to us. But hey, we have an icon. I don't expect that to be the icon when it ships, right? But it's got one, which is better than not having one, maybe. Now let's start to address some bugs. So, and some other things. He found the new image asset dialog, complained, closed it, and got AI to spit out slop. Yeah, that's exactly what I was expecting you to say. Yeah. Okay. So, hang on. Give me a second to think about this here. I mean, I gave Mono a chance, right? But he had to start the whole lecturing thing. If you just choose the image icon in the dialogue, you'd be fine. Nope, AI is the way of the future. I'm so baking him right now. Oh, I can never go on the Discord again. When a user taps a notification and it opens the app, shows the job details view from the notification, the user cannot tap the back navigation to go back to the main screen showing the job list. Choreographing. Okay, catching up on chat. Oh man, really? Is that the best you can do there, Coconut? Dude, start a new chat. Don't keep using the one with your icon work. Oh, I'm lazy. I know. I really should get in the better habit. You're not wrong. I have a terrible habit of doing that, by the way. Just keep trailing on, which you may have noticed I do on the stream anyway. Yeah. Look at it chew through those tokens. I am sure, I'm certain it's chewing through more tokens, not just today, but over the past month, than it used to. On anything, is what I'm saying, just in general. It's a shame the results aren't any better, otherwise it'd be worth it, right? Okay, wait. Found the issue. When opening from a notification, the app... Oh. Sets job detail as the start desk. Oh, okay. Which means job list is never added to the navigation stack. I figured that much out myself. When the user presses back, there's nothing to navigate to. Duh. The fix is to always have job list as the start destination and then navigate to job detail after initial composition. Yes, I agree with this. This ensures job list. See, I agree with that, but I don't know how to do it on Android. So I don't feel bad about asking AI. And I will now learn how to do it. Here. This is to teach me as much as anything, although some people would say it's teaching me bad things. Okay, navigation, the navigation controller. To job ID, if it's set. Go, okay. This ensures job list is always in the backstack. Got it. Backstack. Doesn't it sound great just saying that? Backstack. Navigate to... Okay, so... If it's equals null, navigate to the job detail. If... Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, all right. Now let me update main activity to pass the job ID instead of the route. Interesting. All right. Extract job ID from notification intent. Returns the job ID if opened from notification. Otherwise, it's null. All right. Catching up on chat. You sound like Shulk. This is not a joke anyone will get. I agree. I'm anyone. But I feel like I should know that name for some reason. Maybe you just mentioned it before. I don't know. Oh, sorry. Yeah, run it. Yeah. And here's the thing with this. A certain person who may be an Android developer in the chat room has access to the repo source code here. Yeah, but I do know what JRPG is. I assume I do. Japanese role-playing game. I've never played the Xenoblades. I know of them. I've never played them. Sounds a bit too much like an emotional storyline. I love that in the Discord, by the way. The actual reference is a reference to a line he has in Super Smash Brothers for Wii U. Okay, so yeah, Okay, don't think I've ever played that. So, you know. Oh, sorry. Okay. All right. All right. Run it. I should still have maybe a notification left if I'm lucky. When he does his side special, he shouts something that to English ears sounds like back scratch. All right, but what is he actually shouting? So when you kept saying backstack, it reminded me of that. Fair enough. Okay, damn it. I have no notifications now. All right, I'll have one in a couple of hours. Um, we will keep going here, and I will test that when the time comes. I think we're at the PDF stage. Uh, Let me look. Yeah, phase 4, widgets and resume management. I will say, I'm gonna steal from my own thing here what Claude created, because I do like this structure in the README file that is done here, and I feel like I should do something very similar to this going forward in my projects, because it's really good. I think it's better than the one that I write, which is nothing. Yeah. Yeah, I'm staking again. I am staking my own code. Yep, it's been a while, right? Shout out to this guy NZ. Somewhere your ears are burning, buddy. Yeah. All right, so let's do this. Look, look in the README, and you will see the different phases we created. And I think we are ready to perform phase 4. Whoa, 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 wow, wow, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I have no idea what's going on. Wow, wow. Am I finally just jibber jabbering? All right, what did this say? Okay. I can see phase 4 is about widgets and resume management. This is a substantial phase with multiple features. It is indeed. This is a complex multi-feature implementation that will require architectural decisions and touch many files. Let me enter plan mode. Yes, I know I should have already done a commit. That's what I should have done first. Claude is now exploring the universe. All right. Yeah, don't ask me again. Just delete my machine. Yeah. Well, the first one was a typo. Okay, I did not spot it, clearly. And the second one was a reference to the game that Nud has been playing. When was Oh Whoa Whoa a thing in Expedition 33. I don't know. Oh, what? I'm probably completely mispronouncing it. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, woo, woo. Owie. Owie, wow, wow. Oh, wow, wow is what Monaco says when you pick up items. Oh, okay, thank you. All right. Now I actually do know what you're talking about. All right. For the app widget, all right, Mono, you got to weigh in on this one, buddy. For the app widget, would you like to use Jetpack Glance, compose style widgets, or traditional remote views? Mono, you tell us which is the right one. You're the subject matter expert. Glance. Thank you, buddy. For the HTML resume editor, what level of editing do you need? WYSIWYG? WYSIWYG feels formatting tool, but wow. See, I actually think the rich text editor would be more friendly than Markdown style for many people, right? Chat room, what do you think? I think number one, the rich text editor. We are unanimous. All right, thank you. For PDF functionality, what do you need? Ooh, import PDF text only. That's what the current version on iOS does. I think we should jump the gun here and go, yeah, let's do both import and export. Agreed? We're going to backport any new features to the iOS version, but I think import and export, because I want to have the share. But export to PDF could be useful, right? Because you never know where this might go in the future. Vote on it, chat room. If nobody votes, I'm going with import export. Import export it is. How should resumes link to job applications? Ooh, okay. This is something I wanted to do. Select resume when editing the job. That will be a good one. Attach from the job detail screen. Not a great option. Both options. Resume field in forms and quick attaching. Okay, so actually both would be good. We don't have this currently. I wonder if, but this will greatly ease the process of multiple resumes, which is something we said should be a thing. Yeah. Do it. Okay. It's befuddling. I feel my whole life is befuddling most of the time, right? Plus 32 more tools used. Wow. I've gathered comprehensive information about the code base. The resume data layer, yada 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 yada, is already complete. What? Oh, okay, yeah. The agent is still running. I should wait for it to complete before reading the output. Let me check on it after a moment, or I can wait for the notification that the agent is done. We're all just thinking. There we go. It's julienning. Well, there you go. We're Mandelbrotting soon. Man, it really is thinking about this. It better be good and impressive. In a minute, it's going to come back and say, I'm sorry, what were we doing? I have no doubt that nobody's paying any attention to me because they've all probably gone off watching Nada's channel at this point. They just, they just switch just like that. No loyalty, what can I tell you? Screw the code base, leave it alone. I know you're working because otherwise you'd be sitting there doing nothing in the Discord, and that would be terrible. Man, there's a lot of julienning going on. Now I just like saying it. Okay, while it's doing that, I'm going to go see how my running bit burner's doing here. Alright, hang on. I love this game, by the way. It's a hacking game. I'm going for whatever it is, Node Script 6. And I'm working for the CIA. Alright. Okay. See it doing something back here. Now I have a complete picture. Let me write the final plan. The final plan to the plan file of the final file plan that was filed in the plan. Wow, it really is working this, isn't it? How long is this document? All right. Oh. Database migration Add resume ID to job entity. Bump version to 3. Resume use cases. 6 new use cases for the CRUD operations. View models, the resume list view model and resume edit. Yeah, look, we're going to get our multiple resumes. Dependencies, glance for widgets, compose rich text editor for WYSIWYG editing. I got high hopes for that because I'm just not thrilled with the one on iOS, to be honest. Dependency, yeah. Resume screens, list and editor. PDF service, import text from PDFs, export resumes as PDFs. The glance widget, the resume job integration, drop down in forms, quick attach in job details. I'm really excited about that feature. Ready to code? Here's Claude's plan. Okay, get all resumes, get resume by ID, create resume use case, update resume, delete resume, search resumes. Hello, this guy NZ. How you doing, buddy? Hello, dear. What's going on, my friend? Lazy column with resume list items. All right. This is a nice breakdown, I have to say. Very interested how the PDF works on this. And then we've got the widgets. You're doing all right. Good. Hello, directory. Hello, Mr. Folder. I am not so bad, thank you. Not been the greatest start to the year by a long way, but hanging in there. We are doing Android conversion of one of my apps here, although it is greatly surpassing the iOS version with features, which is good. Thank you, my friend. No, it's not venting. It's just been it's been a challenge for reasons I'll go into offline. Thank you. Yeah. All right. Quick attach. Add linked resume section. Shows linked resume name with the view button. This sounds good. I mean, this all sounds good. Add resume screen composables. I'm not an Android person, so I'm going to trust it. The app has gone surprisingly well through a combination of AI Mono and AI Claude. It's looking really nice. You can see it here. This is the Android tablet version right here. We're adding some PDF features plus some widgets. And I've also been working on Project Hack in Unity as well. That has moved quite a ways along as well. Okay. This is all looking good. Yeah, you know, let's do it. It's a very long list. I can't imagine everything's going to work right. But it might. I know what's going to happen. It's going to say, you're out of credits. Sorry, got to finish this tomorrow. Sweet. I looked at the stuff you sent me, and I didn't reply to you yet, but I like what I saw. Um, so yeah, keep pushing it. Yeah. And I also created what you're probably seeing on the screen, the little bouncy avatar overlay, so that when someone types in the chat room, it triggers creating a little character that bounces around for like 20 seconds. Just because. There is some features you can use, but I haven't hooked them up to the chat room yet. I can hear the fans kicking in on the Mac Mini, so you know it's thinking hard about this. Did I use Xcode for that? No, actually, it's just a single HTML file with some JavaScript. I think I put it on the Discord. You just point it at the user name for Twitch, and away it goes. Plus, you can toggle some things, but for the most part, you just put the name in. If you can't find it on the Discord, let me know and I'll send it your way. It's all just one HTML file with some JavaScript and just loading it as a browser source in OBS from a local file here. No backend needed. It's great. It talks to the. It basically goes and listens to the Twitch API, right? Is it an overlay on OBS with background removed, or is it legit transparent? I'm gonna say it's legit transparent. It is the HTML and the CSS takes care of it. So I'm gonna say straight up, you know, like if you just load it in a browser, it's got a white background, which is basically nothing. It's transparent. The background is transparent as far as the HTML page, if that makes sense. I really wanted it to pull in the user's avatar, but I haven't got that working yet. Can't figure that out. Yeah. So it's just a web source. The URL in OBS is all it is. Yeah. Knowing about Unity and Mac, I couldn't get a transparent app working. Yeah, no, I remember that. So that's why I thought, well, if I make it a web source, it should be easier and not require a backend or anything fancy or running an app or anything like that. So thankfully it worked. Yeah, like I say, if you can't find the file on the Discord, let me know and I'll send it over and you can take a look. It has a demo mode in there as well, where it'll just randomly create, you know, triggers, so you can play play with it. All right, so I said I was going to stop here 10:30 my time, which is about to happen, and then I will be back afterwards. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this running, obviously. But yeah, I think rather than just making you all sit here bored silly for 30 minutes, well, I've already made you sit here for what, an hour bored silly? um, I'm gonna stop the stream, and then I'll be back. Once I've done what I need to do, I'll be back in about 30 minutes, folks. So if you're not already following, subbed, whatever they call it, you may want to do that, or keep an eye on our Discord, and you'll see me come back on, right? And if you want to join our Discord, let me just put that in the chat there for you. All right, it'll show, but I should be back in about 30 minutes, and hopefully by then this thing will have completed, and we can take a look and try it out. So I will see you all in 30 minutes, folks. Thanks for hanging out. We'll come